Hello guys, welcome to my channel. If you are new here, I am Steffi. So Raksha Bandhan is here and all the sisters from every part of the world who know about this festival are very much excited. Therefore, I have specially created this look for Rakhi. This year I am away from home, so I am gonna miss my bhai a lot. Miss you bhai, sending a lot of wishes and prayers for you. Without wasting time, let's get started. For brows, I am using the brow gel from Music Flower. This is a smudge proof brow gel as well as water resistant. I am prepping my skin with a primer from Blue Heaven. It's important to use a primer because it forms that sticky base on your face and the foundation builds a good grip on it. For foundation, I am going with Maybelline Fit Me Foundation in the shade Classic Ivory 120, which is again a long-lasting foundation. And I am going to blend this out with the help of a blending sponge. If you need the information of any of the products I used, they will be listed below in the description box right below the video. To highlight, I am going to use a concealer from Miss Claire. I am using it on all the high planes of my face and then I am blending it with a damp beauty sponge. Using the contour from Mars 3D Balm, contouring the face. Starting from the hollows of my cheekbones, continuing to the jawlines, nose and forehead. And then blending out with a beauty sponge to define all the facial features. Now we need to set the face with some translucent powder. Loose powders are light on face, so I personally love setting with loose powder. Dusting off the extra powder with the help of a brush. I am using the concealer from Miss Claire to define the shape and then blending it out with the help of a blending brush. Setting the concealer with loose powder. For today's eye makeup, I am creating a peacock feather look. I am using the Morphe eyeshadow palette. I am taking the shade light violet and using it as a transition. Then I am taking the blue shade and using it in the outer corner as well as in the crease. Over the eyelids, I am using the color green and blending it well with a brush. To give a shimmery effect, I am using a glittered green color and using it on my eyelids. Taking the color black, I am going to deepen the outer corner and the crease as well to give some definition. Highlighting the inner corner and the brow bone with a silver shimmer. I am using the kajal from Lakme Iconic, which is again a waterproof and a smudge proof kajal. In my lower lash line, I am using the blue shade again and blending it well with a small brush. I have put the false lashes and eyeliner behind the camera. For blush, I am using the blush by Swiss Beauty as I want a more girly look today, using the light pink shade and using it on the high points of my cheeks. I am adding some nice glow throughout my face using the highlighter from Swiss Beauty Ultra Glow. Applying it on the cheeks and going all the way to the temples. For my lips, I am using a pink shade from the Matte Free lipstick. It is completely a waterproof lipstick and give you a pure matte look. And here presenting you the look. I wear a suit in green color with some simple jewelries, bangles and earrings. I hope you like the look. Introducing you all my bhai Rituraj Chaudhary. This time I am away from home, so we'll miss you a lot bhai. Sending you lots of wishes and blessings. Love you. If you like this look, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And for your convenience, I am listing all the products information in the description box below. So make sure you check that out. You will also find my socials there. If you want to follow me on Instagram and Facebook, you can follow me there as well. Lots of love, bye guys, and I'll see you soon with a new video.